this is a tutorial using the Patrick Starrr matte collaboration. I have the Glam AF eyeshadow palette, the mamastar lipstick, and the mahogany lip liner. So I created this look with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial slash first impressions. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys like this look. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like and share. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Bye. Already done my base. For that I applied Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer and the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. So I'm just going to put some concealer under my eyes and let that sit there. I'm going to start off with priming my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So I'm going to go in with the Glam AF palette. That's the only one, that's the only palette that I did get, and it comes in this package box. So Brulee, Homie Gold, Saddle and Embark. I'm going to take this Morphe E21 brush, which has a flat angle flat side to it, top to it, and I'm gonna go into Brulee, which is like a peachy beige. I'm just gonna set the whole of my eye with that, so it will make blending easy. And I don't even know what look I'm gonna go for, so let's see how this goes. It's typical to do like this in the transition, this in the crease, and this in the lid, but I want to do something different, but I can't figure out what. So I think I'm going to go all over the lid with this one. So Mikasa E230 brush, and I have discount codes for these brushes. I'm just going on to the lid, all over the lid with this. It is gorgeous and pigmented. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is blend that out, get a clean fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out into the crease. So this is like a really simple everyday kind of look with a bit of shine, which is going to go into the inner corner. So I'm doing the next eye. This is and I find that a lot of setting powders, even if I don't bake and I've just lightly brushed over it, I find that it just creases and forms lines even with the setting powder. Recently I have grown to love I've got a little tiny sample pot of it, of the Makeup Forever Professional HD setting powder, and I have been going in just on my under eyes with this one, and I've been using, where is this brush gone? I've been using the Morphe E23 for that, and I just pick up a little bit on there and tap the excess off, and I just brush it along my under eyes, and it seems to be working for me, and I'm really liking it. So just on the under eyes, and that's it. I'm gonna go back in with Saddle again and put a bit more on my lids, because I had concealer go up onto it. So this is like a gorgeous colour. This is such a gorgeous colour. I was gonna put lashes on, but I think I'm gonna just keep it like that, so I don't have to line my lids. And this is like a basic everyday look that you guys can do. So that's Embark, the Zoeva 226 brush. I am definitely going to be buying more MAC eyeshadows. I love this look and I love these eyeshadows and I love the colours. I'm definitely buying more MAC eyeshadows. Just gonna go in on the lid again. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Oh My Gold. Oh My Gold. And for that, I am using the Zoeva Detail Shader Brush. Ooh, this will make a really good highlighter. Let's go in with the rest of my face. So for highlighter, of course, Anastasia, So Hollywood, like I always do. And I'm not gonna contour today. Oh, I thought I was gonna, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna keep this all very glowy, dewy and natural looking. So I did put on, I forgot to mention, I did put on, after I applied my Step 1 Hydrating Primer, I did apply MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light, just on the high points of my face. So just where I'm applying highlighter now, I've applied Strobe Cream as well. Blush, I'm going to use Essence Satin Touch in Satin Bronze. Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Bronze. So it's like a very dusky, bronzy, pinky colour. And I'm going to go in with this Maybelline blush brush that I got years and years ago. Came in a set. And I'm just going to lightly apply that just below the highlighter. I think that's a bit too much. Let me take it up. I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Jacob's Beverly Noir mascara, tiny little one. So next is what I've been looking forward to the most. So this is the Mahogany lip liner. This is very creamy. I'm just going to do the outer corners of my mouth as well. Comes in the same packages as the eyeshadow quad. So this is what the lipstick looks like. And this is mamastar. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. I think I overlined my lips a bit too much. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope it's quick. And yeah, I hope to make another video soon for you guys. And on that note, I'm just gonna leave you guys. So thumbs up this video and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get more videos from me. Okay guys, bye.